Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you a lot of mothers are not reacting well in their children's marriage. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time the post gets to you. A lot of mothers are not behaving well, especially when their son have gotten married. You look at this mother, they will behave as if they are not they want their daughter-in-law to be begging them. I had a son want to marry, and the mother said, before you get married, you must marry me first. And I want to ask mothers, is it right that your son will marry you? If your son marry you, does it mean that your husband did not marry you well? Or is it in our tradition that our son will marry us? While we're standing, I understand that marriage, the woman said, was that the son have to take care of her. But does it mean that your husband didn't take care of you before, during your marriage? Or if your husband did not take care of you during your marriage, is it your son's fault? Why must the son marry you? Or why must the son begin to take care of you before he get married? Do you mean that when your child get married, that's your son get married, that the son will no longer be your son? A lot of mothers, mother-in-law and mothers misbehave when their son get married. A lot of mothers misbehave when their daughter get married. Immediately their daughter will get married, hey, they will start that the son-in-law, he will be trying to take over the guy's heart so that the man will not remember his own mother. He wants the mother, the boy, the man to love the mother-in-law more than his own mother. Is it possible? Mother-in-law and the mother of his son, please. I am saying it time without number. Why must it be mothers that trouble their children's marriage? You go say they don't trouble your own marriage. They don't do everything to your own marriage. Is it not a lesson for you not to trouble your son's marriage? Is it not a lesson for you not to trouble your daughter's marriage? Mothers, answer me this question. Why is it that it's mothers that will hear that this mother-in-law is bad, this mother-in-law is bad? We hear mothers more than father. And somebody told us that when the mothers are getting old, especially when they are in their menopause, their reaction, they too bad, past the one of mine. So daughter-in-laws, please share this video. When you get married, know that mama there, he don't reach menopause. He has to start reacting abnormal. So most times, this abnormality enter, they begin to harm their mother-in-law, daughter-in-law. They fire the daughter-in-law a lot. But when you say it's a menopause, why is it that they don't trouble their son? Mothers, hear me and hear me good. That lady is married to your son does not mean that lady is a slave. That lady married to your son doesn't mean that lady will come and bow down to all the children you gave birth in that family, even the younger ones. Some family will tell you that woman, the day they marry the woman in, that's the day they born the woman. Who told you that? Who told you that? The day they married that woman in, the woman has become together the same as the husband. So the people the husband senior should know that woman have senior them too. Respect your daughter-in-law. Love